Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 12X and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures which I've got currently applied. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. As you can see at the top we've got the system navigation, so let's tap. And here we've got the gestures. Probably you've got the buttons set, and before we'll set the gestures, I just wanted to highlight that if you'll decide that you want to stick to this option here, you can customize it. So for example, you can reorder the back button and the recents and manage Google Assistant. Alright, so all we have to do is to tap on the gestures. Your device will ask you whether you want to go through the tutorial and learn how to use it. I don't want to do it, but of course you can. I will also explain to you how to use the gestures. As you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got nothing actually. We do not have any kind of buttons, toggles, etc. You can decide whether you want to hide the gesture guide bar, because basically we should have this line. It's totally up to you whether it fits your aesthetics or not. I think I want to hide it. We can also manage the options like switch to previous app, mistouch prevention. We can learn gestures. Here we've got the sensitivity. We can set the sensitivity to back gesture, and to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you'll be able to decide whether you really need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. And basically this is it. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, swipe your finger from the side to the center, you'll see this arrow, and you can now release the finger, and as you can see we just got back. The same situation from the right side, it works the same. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and make sure that this operation, this gesture is quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center. However, this time make it a little bit longer and hold your finger somewhere here, just like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.